Look at my title. I'm gonna make you rich by the end of the video. But I'm not making you rich in the common sense that I'm gonna add 20 euros in your bank account. Look, it doesn't matter how much you have bucks in your bank account or 5 million in your bank account. If you are not rich, financially literacy in other terms, learning about money and how it works, you are going to end up broke. Look, we see happening all the time, the lottery ticket winner, the athletes, celebrities that a million of people wealth really quickly without first understanding how to generate it. And today I'm gonna give you guys 5 things makes you rich to be financially freedom that I have to achieve to do. If you are interested, let's go. Number 1, think like the rich think. If your goal is one day to become financially freedom, your common knowledge is about money that you learn in the middle or lower class just won't cut it. If you want to be free, you literally need to change how you think about money and how you use it. You will have to think like wealthy think. In other words, reach yourself in financial literacy. Even if you have 30 cents in your bank account, if you can be wise with very little, you can be wise with a lot. So think like wealthy people. Number 2, read books more. Successful people, they read books a lot. For example, Warren Buffett, the third wealthiest person in the world, he read a books 500 pages per a day. Tony Robbins, Bill Gates, they read a books over 200 pages a day. Now, maybe you might ask me, hey buddy, what kind of books I have to read? That's easy. Read like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Layman Investor, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Good to Great, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Money Master of the Game, The Lean Startup, and so much more. All these books having one common mentality shift. Number 3, start investing. When it comes to investing, don't follow to those traders or forex traders that's supposed to know everything. Research shows that they even turn a profit. When you invest, turn relax, like Warren Buffett. Invest in companies what you believe in and hold 10 or 5 years, because almost always positive return. Stock market naturally over time. It's always stop trying to listen to those day traders. If they were good, they would be Warren Buffett themselves. Play the game slowly, either long term nor short term. You can invest in stock market, real estate, and invest on yourself. Number 4, saving of money. I'm gonna teach you a lesson on budget of saving money. Guess what? If you want to be rich, you have to start treating your own wealth like a company. What the companies do, they budget. Think of your money, whether it's 100 or 1,000 in your bank account or in your pocket. Be ready. Alright? As a pie chart, draw it. 50% of that your money should go to your needs. What is needs? Needs like stuff like your car, your bike, grocery, your house, your insurance, your car payment, your electricity, your internet. All the stuff goes to your needs. So when you have your paycheck, save 50% for that. 30% are your wants. What is wants? Actually, it is self-expression, like your shopping, your food. That's what you want in your daily moments, but technically you don't need. Finally, 20%. 20% is your saving, future saving. It's self-expression. Think of that. It's for long term, nor for short term. How much you will earn or how much you will get after 5 or 10 years. Think and grow rich. Now if you ask me, hey, that my needs is bigger than 50%. Alright? That's easy answer. For example, that the house what you are living in, it's 15,000 or 20,000. Find out, let them know of it. We need to make money cut down our needs. We need to save more and more. Finally, number 5. Check your bank account or your pockets daily. See, a lot of people avoid their checking their saving because trying to make disappear. Are you one of them? No. It's wrong. See, if you don't know it, what will happen? Of course, at the end of the day, will disappear overspending. But if you check every day, it's a form of keeping yourself accountable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click like, leave your thought on your comment section below. That you order, we're gonna provide you, and don't forget to click subscribe button down below. Turn on notification, you will get all the new videos. If you like it, share to others to learn and grow together. Much love. God bless you all. That's for me today. I will see you on the next.